welcome back. So today I am filming in a new little area that I've created for YouTube. There, hopefully that works. Are we focusing? Yes. Okay. I don't have a lot on my face today. My face is freaking out a little bit, so I didn't put anything on. Just like eyebrows and mascaras, basically all I have on. But let's get into my February favorites. So this is a new camera, so for sure this is a favorite. And, you know, lighting and changes and stuff like that. So, all favorites. But let's get into my hair care favorites for February. First two products came from the Dollar Tree. I was super surprised that I would love these as much as I do. They smell like salon quality shampoo and conditioner, and they leave a scent, a beautiful scent in your hair for a long time. It lingers, and it just makes your hair feel so good. It is the Agree Pro Protein Keratin Conditioner and Shampoo. These I found at the Dollar Tree. I like the purple one. They do have blue ones. I didn't really care for the smell of the blue ones, but I love the smell of this purple set. So if you go into a Dollar Tree and see those, pick it up. I really think you'll like it. Another hair care product right out of the shower. I've been looking for another product like this to help like nourish the hair when it comes out of the shower so it's not super tangly. This is the Dove Style & Care Frizz Proof Cream Serum, and I really enjoy this. Again, it smells really nice, but it makes my hair feel so much healthier once I'm out of the shower. Definitely a must try. Next is a product that I got in my last Sephora haul. I was actually quite surprised that I enjoyed this as much because I was quite disappointed in the size of this for the price. This is a $10 dry shampoo. This is a Sephora Coconut Water Dry Shampoo. It looks like that. It smells like coconut, which is really nice, but it is super small and I don't even have much left. For $10, it's too much. I probably won't repurchase it, but it's a really good dry shampoo. Okay, on to skincare. I only have two products in my skincare thing that I'm really loving right now. But let's jump into it. First off is the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. I love how this makes my face feel. It is very, like, it's a thick water, if that makes sense. Here. Do you see what I mean by it's a thicker water? It's not quite a jelly, but it's not water. It's like a hybrid of the two, but it's a lightweight water-based lotion that hydrates for healthy glowing looking skin. This light watery texture glides onto skin to hydrate, leaves skin feeling refreshed and smooth, infused with purified water, coconut water, and algae. And I really like this. You don't need a lot either. Okay, you don't need a lot either. A little bit goes a long way. Next product is the Nip and Fab Soften Kale Makes Makeup Removing Pads. There's 60 pads in this little container. I did get this on sale for, I can't remember. It was on sale anyway. The Nip and Fab at Shoppers Drug Mart. This works really well to get your makeup off. And it doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt your eyes, it doesn't hurt your skin. It's super softening, super gentle, and your skin feels soft after. But definitely a must try. If you see this brand, give it a try. On to eye makeup. I have three products, 2 palettes, and an eyeliner. The eyeliner that I have fallen back in love with is the NYX liquid eyeliner in black. It is an old school favorite. Don't mind my nails. Let's go get them redone again. It is a brush tip, but it is surprisingly super easy to use. So I really do like this. And I did accidentally once buy this, and it was the black one with glitter in it, which I gave that one away to my kids, but this one is just the black. And it's really nice. Now the two palettes I've been loving, I took with me when I went to Chilliwack, and I used them there, I used them before that, I used them here. I really do like these two palettes. The pigmentation, the blendability, the whole 9 yards, and the price is always bonus. They're both ColourPop palettes. The first one is the Yes Please by ColourPop. And I will, this is the colors here. I've used almost everything in here, aside from a few. I think I may have used that once, but I haven't really used too much of Buttercake, Chauffeur, or Mischief. But I will. And the other ColourPop palette is the Give It To Me Straight palette. This one's more rosier tones opposed to orangey tones. And this one I've definitely used the most, for sure. But I like to use them in combination as well, because this has more, you know, brown, taupey kind of colors in it to mix with these brighter colors that are in this one. But these two palettes have been my faves. On to face. For foundation this month, I have been obsessed with the Lancome Regenefique Lift Makeup. Lifting and anti-wrinkle radiance, normal to dry skin. This is a thinner formula, but it gives you, I would say, medium coverage. I really do like the look of this on my skin, for sure. It has probably about, I'd say, an 8 to 10 hour wear, depending on your primer and your powder that you use with it. Oh, that was my wrist. It does come with a pump, and it doesn't have too much of a smell, and it is a really good color match. Mine is in P40C, or 230 P40C. Don't know other than that, that's the color that it is on the bottom. The powder that I have been using with that foundation is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is just a sample, like deluxe size sample size, and I barely used any of it. A little bit goes a long way. This makes your skin look amazing. Definitely love this. Wish I would have got on this train a little bit earlier. Okay, for a cream bronzer, I still love my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but I love to put this on first. And this is the Anastasia Shadow Stick Foundation in Contour. So it's just a contour stick, just like that. And I have been using this first. So put on my foundation, slap this on, any cream products, blend them out, powder them down. Loving this. It gives such a good look to the face. You can almost not look overdone. And then last product is a highlight that I have been loving, and it's drugstore, which, surprise, surprise, I have like a gajillion high-end highlighters, but this one I took with me. I really learned to love it. It gives you, it's a blinding highlight, but you can make it subtle. It's multi-use. I really do like this. And it is the Hard Candy Original Tiki. Like, people love this. Used to, anyway. Nobody really talks about it anymore. But it does, like, see how it can be subtle? But if you focus on, like, the golden parts, you can make it more glowy. I don't know. It looks beautiful on the skin. Definitely worth it. Now I have highlight on me. Anyways, those are my February favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.